So in this video, we're going to be looking at cron jobs. Now here I am in my BetterSiteHost dashboard for my server, and I'm going to go ahead and go into the cron jobs area of the dashboard. And here you'll see a list of all the jobs that we have. Now, what is a cron job? It's essentially a scheduled job that will run in the background on a scheduled basis. To create a new one, you go ahead and click on Create Cron Job. Let's look at this existing one that I have here. Now, what's important when you give a cron job, obviously you give it a name, but something that's important is the user that job will run under. If a particular job is for a specific application, you will actually want to make sure that that cron job runs as that application's user. That way it can access the files in that folder and do everything that application requires. Now, whatever command you need to run, you're going to execute that command here. Okay? This is the same command that you would run as if you were like on command line in the terminal on the server. Then you're going to select your schedule that you want. And we have most common easy options right here, but you can also select custom. Now here you have to look up a common cron job syntax for minutes, hours, days, months, and weeks. But for right now, I'm just going to stick with every 5 minutes. And when you're done, just click Update Cron Job. Now, if you ever need to, once you're on this view, you can actually quickly disable a cron job directly from this view, which is super convenient. So I hope this tour of cron jobs was useful for you. I hope you're enjoying BetterSiteHost. Now go forth and make your websites great.